Hey planner people, I'm trying to do a little bit different unboxing today. I tried to do this unboxing before and I ended up with my big fat head in most of the shot. So I'm giving it one more try. Luckily I had another one of these on the way, so I get a second chance. So here we go. So spoiler alert, this is not a planner. This is a little bit off the beaten path as far as what I'm usually doing on my channel, but this is my absolute favorite work bag and I really wanted to show it to everybody. So this is number 4 for me, and the other 3 bags I have modified a little bit. So I want to show you the unboxing of the bag as it comes, and then I want to show you how I've modified my bag to work better for me. Ta-da! This bag is from Milloo, or Milloo, I'm not sure how it's pronounced. It's an Etsy shop, and the guy that makes these is in Greece. And like I said, this is my 4th bag, and it's my absolute favorite work bag. I have to walk pretty far from my car to where my building is that I work in, so I really like having a backpack. So let me give you a little tour here. So as you can see, it's got straps because it's a backpack. The straps are nice and thick. So as far as the width, but they're not thick this way. Does that make sense? So they're very comfortable. Even when my bag is stuffed full, it's super comfortable to carry. It's got a handle on the top, so like when you're trying to get off the bus, you're not gonna whack somebody in the head with your backpack because you can carry it in front of you. Sorry about that clanking. This is my favorite part. I love the woven design on this. This bag can also be bought with just the smooth front rather than the woven pattern. So if you're not really into it, you can get one that is, you know, smooth on the front like this is here. I just prefer the ones that are woven. So it's leather. It has a pocket on each side. So I currently am using my phone to record, but I have an iPhone XS Max, and it fits in here just fine without any, you know, wangling. Is that a word? Wangling? And then it has another one on this side. I usually pop my keys in the other one. And then let's take a peek inside. Ta-da! So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to get light in here so that you can see all the way into this bag. So hold on a second. Okay, this is probably as good as I can get in my pathetic little setup here. So this is hugely cavernous. You do have a zipper pocket in here, so that's a good place for your wallet. And it has a laptop pocket, which I want to talk about a little more later. And then way in here is this little leather pocket. And it says Milloo on it. I don't remember my other bags having that. That might be something new. So anyway, It holds a crap ton. And let me just grab my other one that I have and show you generally what I keep in it. So here is my dark brown one. Oop, sorry. I've been having a lot of trouble with the focus on my camera lately, and I'm not sure if there was a change to iOS 14 or whatever it was we upgraded to, but it seems to have a mind of its own. Anyway, so yeah, let's look inside here if we can see. I've got this bag of miscellaneous crap, which is like Band-Aids and hand lotion, and there's a little fan in there, there's a compact, stuff like that. And oatmeal. I've got a book in here. I've got another packet of oatmeal. And this is like the electronics bag. So it has like my AirPods and cleaning wipe and a little Kate Spade adorable power bank. Look at how cute that is. And then I usually have my planner, which is somewhere now, which I have no idea what I did with it. Let me go grab it. Okay, sorry about that. I usually have my planner in there, which is a personal size, and then my wallet. So even after all that, I could fit a ton more in there. It's just ginormous. And I feel something in this pocket. What do I have in here? Oh, I have some Tombow pens. So let me show you what it looks like. This is actually made so that you can put a 13-inch MacBook, I believe, but I have a 15-inch laptop for work, and it fits in here. Let me show you. So as you can see, hopefully, that fits in there just fine. Maybe I should be turning it this way. Yeah, so a little bit of the laptop is peeking out, but not a lot. So you can buckle it in and then load up your other stuff. So let's see what it looks like when I put everything else back in there. So I have my bag of miscellaneous stuff. I have my electronics bag. See, I feel like I'm out of the shot no matter where I move. I have my planner, this book. Oh, that didn't work out well, did it? Yeah, my janky system here is falling apart. Okay, I got my book in there before my light came crashing down. And then I could throw my wallet in there, my oatmeal, and look at that. It all fits in there just dandy with room to spare. I mean, literally, I could stick a sweater in here or a pair of flats or something. But I never wear flats, so I won't. So then you can zip it up and off you go. I mean, isn't that cute? So it's a huge bag and it fits a ton. So now let me show you a bag that I've modified. So here's one of my other bags, and it's like a dusty pink. I just love it. It's perfect for spring or summer. So what I did, I was very naughty because I hardly ever bring my work laptop home. I took the laptop pocket out of it with a seam ripper, and it did absolutely zero damage to the bag. So I'm trying to get the light in here. I don't know if you can see in there, but yeah, the laptop pocket, because it was empty all the time, was starting to get on my nerves. So I took that and that little leather pocket out, and absolutely have no issues. You know, it didn't damage the material on the inside at all. So, and the good news is, if I still want to take my laptop, I can put it in the sleeve and it fits in here just fine. So let me show you that. So I didn't put my laptop in here, but you get the idea with the sleeve. So there we go. So, and I think my sleeve is quite a bit bigger than my laptop too. So I still could fit, you know, my bags along the side and my wallet and all that other jazz. So, what else do I want to tell you about this bag? Super good customer service. I contacted the owner of the Etsy shop and the maker of the bag, and I got responses back really, really fast, like within a couple of hours. So I would imagine it's going to depend on the time of the day, but I wanted a different material for the inside of a couple of my bags from what was shown on the website. So I sent a message through Etsy, and he was very helpful. So he was able to put different material. This one came with this nice floral, which I really, really love the floral interiors. But my black one that I have came with a black interior, and because this bag is so cavernous, I did not want the interior to be black. So I asked if he could find, I didn't specify what I wanted. I just said, can you please put something lighter color in there? And he did. And then with my dark brown bag that I just showed you with all my stuff in it, I actually picked out the material myself just by going on the Etsy website and looking at some of the other bags, because he makes pencil bags and tote bags and all sorts of things. And I found a floral material I really liked and thought would look pretty with the brown. And so I took a screenshot and I sent it in a message and said, I'm ordering the brown one. Can you please use this material for the interior of my brown bag? And he did, and it was awesome. And it didn't take very long. He's pretty quick. The only bag that took a little longer was one that I bought while he was on vacation. And he was still taking orders, but offered a 15% discount because you were not going to get your bag as fast. So, pretty awesome. Let me bring the black one out. So I have not used the black one yet. This is going to be my winter bag. So, but it did have pitch black lining, and I asked for a lighter color, and I'm very happy with what he chose. So go ahead and, you know, ask questions. I think if I would have thought ahead with my last bag, I would have said, you know, can you just leave the laptop pocket out? And I'm sure he would have done it. Now, this bag is the smaller of the two that he offers. He offers this is the 13-inch laptop version. He also has a 15-inch laptop version, which I thought by looking at the measurements might be a little too long for me because I'm pretty short. But as it turns out, my work laptop, which is 15 inches, fits in here fine. Your mileage may vary depending on the brand of your laptop. I did not want to get the bigger of the two, but that is an option if you have a bigger laptop. And like I said, you can also get these so that it's smooth on both sides. The first place I saw this bag was actually a video from Tokyo Pen Shop, and that's kind of how the bag got on my radar. So they do sell them on their website. They just don't sell, I don't think they have the woven ones, and I think they only carry the 15-inch laptop version. So let's take one more peek at my bag here. This has been just a workhorse. I absolutely adore it. So if you're looking for a good bag and you like backpacks, please consider this because it's very well made. It's, you know, durable. I just can't say enough about it, which is why I have 4. So sorry if you were hoping to catch a planner video. I'm sure I'll have one coming up soon. But yeah, great bag, great customer service. And surprisingly, this came super fast from Greece. He ships very quickly, and once it's shipped, you will get it very quickly. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope that you will join me next time, and I will talk to you later. Bye.